Last night, Marlon Knight, a notorious criminal, breached a high-security psychiatric detainment and is known to be out on the go throughout England. Marlon Knight, 21, multiple homicides, arson attempt, car theft, burglary. The subject's criminal streak began with an empty hotel room. She explained to me how she meets guys at bars and leaves them on, picks them up, takes them back to hotel rooms, and that's when stuff gets really nasty. It wasn't until our conversations and I started to notice that she enjoyed it. Her excessive alcohol consumption began in her teenage years. Find her.